So this is the Cymbal Bytes 25-piece Cymbal Replacement Accessories kit. I got this guy so I could fix up some of my cymbal stands. What it comes with is 10 cymbal felts for normal cymbals like crash cymbals, ride cymbals, and then you have 4 felts for hi-hats. You have 1 drum key, 5 cymbal seats, and then 5 of these quick lock cymbal nuts. And if you can look in there right now, you see how you can kind of open it up and there's threads in there. So this kit is fantastic. It has everything that I need to fix up a bunch of cymbal stands. And for most people, I think they're really going to like this cymbal quick lock guy. What's cool about it is it's only the top side that pushes down. The bottom side is just flat, but it gives you enough leverage to where you can squeeze it. So if you're in the market for just a bunch of goodies to help fix up your cymbal stands and keep them operating really well, I would suggest this kit to you.